Is time travel really possible? Could we one day travel back to the past or forward to the future? In this video, we'll explore some of the most popular theories of time travel, examine their feasibility, and discuss the potential consequences of time travel. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating topics in the world of science fiction and theoretical physics, time travel. The idea of traveling through time has been a staple of science fiction for over a century. From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the Back to the Future franchise, time travel has captivated audiences with its mind-bending possibilities and potential consequences. Part A: What is time travel? Before we dive into the various theories of time travel, let's first define what we mean by time travel. At its most basic level, time travel refers to the concept of moving backwards or forwards in time. This can be accomplished through a variety of methods, including 1. Time machines, fictional devices that allow individuals to travel through time. 2. Wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through space-time that could potentially allow for time travel. 3. Relativity, the theory that time is relative and can be experienced differently depending on the observer's frame of reference. Regardless of the method, time travel involves the ability to move through time in a nonlinear fashion. This concept may seem far-fetched, but as we'll see, there are some real scientific theories that suggest time travel could be possible. Part B: Theories of time travel. There are several theories of time travel, each with its own set of rules and potential consequences. Let's examine some of the most popular theories. 1. Fixed timeline theory, also known as the Novikov self-consistency principle. This theory suggests that time travelers cannot change the past because any actions they take would have already happened in the past and be part of the timeline. 2. Alternate timeline theory. This theory suggests that time travelers can change the past, but doing so would create a new timeline, separate from the original one. 3. Grandfather paradox. This is a common example of a time travel paradox. The paradox asks what would happen if a time traveler were to go back in time and kill their own grandfather, thereby preventing their own existence. 4. Bootstrap paradox. This paradox involves a time traveler bringing something from the future to the past, and that object becoming the inspiration for its own creation in the future. In this way, the object has no origin. 5. Multiverse theory. This theory suggests that every decision or action creates a new universe, so any time travel would simply create a new universe rather than changing the existing one. Part C: The feasibility of time travel. So, is time travel actually possible? The short answer is that we don't know for sure, but there are some scientific theories that suggest it could be feasible. For example, Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time can be experienced differently depending on an observer's frame of reference. This means that time could technically be stretched or compressed, depending on how fast an object is moving. Additionally, the concept of wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through space-time, could potentially allow for time travel. However, we currently have no way of creating or traversing these wormholes, so the idea remains purely theoretical. It's worth noting that any form of time travel would require an enormous amount of energy, far beyond our current technological capabilities. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that time travel is impossible, just that we haven't figured out how to do it yet. Part D: Consequences of time travel. If time travel were possible, there would undoubtedly be significant consequences, both positive and negative. Let's explore some of the potential consequences of time travel. 1. Butterfly effect. One of the most commonly discussed consequences of time travel is the butterfly effect. This concept suggests that even the smallest changes made in the past could have huge, unforeseen consequences in the present and future. 2. Paradoxes. As we discussed earlier, there are several potential paradoxes that could arise from time travel, such as the grandfather paradox or bootstrap paradox. These paradoxes could have significant consequences, ranging from minor disruptions to the timeline to complete annihilation of the universe. 3. Altering history. If time travel were possible, it would be tempting to go back and alter historical events. However, doing so could have unintended consequences and potentially alter the course of history in ways that we cannot predict. 4. Ethical dilemmas. Time travel could also present a variety of ethical dilemmas. For example, should we allow people to travel back in time to prevent tragedies like the Holocaust or 9/11s? And what would be the consequences of doing so? 5. Changing personal history. Time travel could also allow individuals to change their own personal history, such as preventing a loved one from dying or correcting a past mistake. However, doing so could have unintended consequences and alter the course of their entire life. So friends, time travel remains a fascinating concept that has captured the imagination of people for decades. While there are scientific theories that suggest time travel could be possible, we currently lack the technology to make it a reality. If time travel were possible, it would undoubtedly have significant consequences, ranging from minor disruptions to the timeline to complete annihilation of the universe. As such, it's important that we continue to explore the feasibility and potential consequences of time travel, and consider the ethical implications of allowing it to become a reality. Thank you for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think about time travel and its potential consequences. Kindly share this video with others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will meet soon with even more important videos. Thank you.